Here's the test results of the PowerWash by Dawn. It seemed to do the best cleaning compared to the other products tested in the other parts. I did brush them with a very soft brush-all toothbrush under hot water to clean them up a little bit more. And so this is basically what I got after I brushed them for about 30 seconds, and then I rinsed them under hot water and dried them. See if I can zoom up on these so it's easier to see the plug electrodes. I'll end up keeping the two best ones for spares. That's 50 bucks right there. These are $25 a plug for iridium NGK. If you guys have any other suggestions on what solvents work better, I'm all ears. This one's broken. It looks like its insulator broke off. All of these have 100,000 kilometers on them. Look at my part 1 video if you want to see the difference this cleaning made. Try to get a good shot of these electrodes. Now that they're clean, you can see the actual physical construction of them. The rusty ones are the ones that went onto the CLR solution in one of the other bouts. And this one was the one that had a lot of oil inside there, combusted oil. It was the one that was fouling the most. In another video, if I find a better solution, I'll probably soak that one again. I'll probably go at that again for an update later down the road. Anyways, I wouldn't use CLR on spark plugs. It might be okay on other things, other metals, but definitely it attacked the threads and the electroplating. If you like the video, like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you're into this stuff. If you have other car parts to clean, this stuff worked wonders on baked on carbon, so maybe it will work on other things. Ciao for now.